Hey guys, this is Frog, and today I'm playing some Gary's Mod. That's right, I had Gary's Mod. You didn't know. Oh yeah, so I had Gary's Mod for a couple of years right now, in a couple of months, and I was just practicing my video thing. So yeah, I was just practicing. What it called? Oh yeah, I was just practicing for a video. So here I am. Here, because I'm cool. Oh yeah, shout out to my friends. Yeah, y'all are lucky if y'all my friends. Oh yeah, shout out to fans too. I know I don't have that much subscribers there. Alright, I'm going to spawn in some ragdolls. And then let's get with the video. So I'm wasting the time. Alright, let's just get with the video. Oh yeah, guys, no one suggested this. I just wanted to do it on my own. I also have a Discord if y'all wanted to know it. That will probably be in this description. Oh yeah, we have Golden Freddy. He's just gonna be sitting down. I'm sleeping. So then we're gonna have these babies. Oh, this is the possum show. Anyways, if y'all didn't know. Freddy's on the ground, he's and the puppet's gonna come here and give him life. And then Foxy, this is when Foxy was like over here. Oh yeah, if y'all didn't know, we're reminding me so much lag. Yeah, you saw that, that was lag. So we're just gonna put him down and he can go to sleep. Thank you, Dad.
Give me that yogurt.
Yogurt?
Tell me, when you finish with stuff, where'd it go? You just leave shit sitting around, brother. Throw it in the goddamn trash.
Okay. No. I was making a video. Alright, hey guys, this is Gary's Mod video. This is my first Gary's Mod video, and I have had Gary's Mod for a while, and I already like shaded up. I forgot to put word chica right there. Alright, that just happened to the video. I know I had Gary's Mod for a couple months and years right now, so I was practicing for a video. Yeah, if y'all didn't know, or shoot the camera, and that just happened to it. Alright, this guy makes lag. You kind of make lag, and these two are good. And Wither Chica also makes some lag. Oh yeah, and this was a weird party source. Yeah, Chica, no one liked Chica. People bullied her. So then let's get the toys. Alright, we got Toy Freddy right here. We got Toy Chica right here. Oh yeah, someone stole Toy Chica's cupcake. Yeah, that's sort of. And Mango's gonna be on the floor. Because Mango was cool. And Mango went to sleep. And then Spoon Trap was back here. Sitting down with his friend Withered Spring Bonnie. What do I think I should call this guy? Withered Spring Bonnie or something? I don't know. Oh yeah, Withered Spring Bonnie went on the floor a lot because he didn't like his life. He was like, Oh yeah, he was a lot sleepy. And only Toy Bonnie was the happy one in life. He was like, I'm happy. Oh yeah, Toy Bonnie. Right, guys, this might take a while. Right, hold on 1 second. I got spotted in the phantoms. Nope, nope. I forgot I had these models. Yeah, but then we need nope. We need where is it? FNAF 3 Phantom. Then we need Balloon Boy, and then we need to get this Points model. And this guy sucks. His head moves because he got a big head. And now we're just gonna BB head. BB, stop it. BB body. Oh, I think I already have one. Oh, I got rid of somebody I didn't need to get rid of. Who I get rid of? Nobody. Alright, so let's check my deeds. Good check. I think I got a stupid lead here. Alright, refund it. No, that's mine. Incorrect. What is this one? That's my phantom body. What's this one? My head! I can't find it. Where is it? You know what? Screw it. They killed Bully Boy. Yeah, boy died. But guys, they killed Bully Boy. He died. So yeah. And they were after before me. Hey guys, I wanna go play some fighters with the house. So then two Freddy wanted to play some fighters at Mr. House, but then the TV was going. Her body just went to sleep. The Chica was like, I don't care about that. Until the Chica went to sleep too. But then, did they know the orders from the church? And what is Freddy was over there? Oh, that was for nap. What the heck? Why am I like this? Why do I don't have hands? Shut up, chicken. Chicken, get out of here. No, stop it. Chicken, what did I just say? Get out. Oh. Oh. Oh, at least she's gone. I need to try my face. Oh, I found it. I found my fish. I found my fish. I found my fish. Hey, Freddy, look at me. Oh my gosh, it's ugly. Yeah, Bonnie, you look ugly. Yo, you want me to put my face back? Oh, what should I think I got my eyes. There you go. It's horrible. It's horrible. Let's go and pray and look at him. What do you want? What do you want? What do you want? Oh my gosh. This thing. Oh my gosh. I didn't mean to take a picture. This thing is ugly. You're ugly. Did you just call me ugly? Yeah, I called you ugly and I'm fine with it. I'm just going to teleport away from this madness. I wish I could take these all. I don't want to take these all. That's the best suggestion. And I should take one of these off. Because I'm cool like this. I'm cool. What the heck was that noise? Oh, go away! Get out of here, Mother Bunny! No, stop it! Mother Bunny, get out of here. No one loves you. No one loves you. Well, dang. Look like it's me and you, Foxy. What? It's not me and you. Well, Foxy just got knocked out. I'm gonna talk to Toy Freddy. Mr. Hugs! Mr. Hugs, I will save you. I will save you. You know, by that, I will kill everyone. I will kill everyone that has killed you, Mr. Hugs. Mr. Hugs! I will kill Mr. Hugs! I need to take me your Mr. Hugs. Hold on, let me just eat my ribs. I love you, Mr. Hugs. Yo, man, you need to calm down. Seriously, fatty. You just calm down. Fatty? Yep. And for that, since you don't like it just like I don't like it. Boop. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm not even touching. I'm sorry, I'm not even touching this. 1 second, go right. Yeah. There we go. Boop. Oof. You know what? I'm gonna put Toy Freddy in this corner for some reason. Toy Freddy. You get, right there. And Toy Freddy got knocked out. And then his head booped his nose, and he got knocked out. Then Toy Bonnie woke up and got, oh. That was a good nap. How about you, Tortuga? Yeah, I prefer it to be a good nap. Oh, what the? What happened to Toy Freddy? What happened to him? More importantly, we booped our noses. Yep. Well, I'm going back to sleep. Yeah, I'd rather do that too. Would you two shut up? What is Spring Man went up. That was a long and stressful nap. So here guys, this was oh, 1 second. So yeah guys, this is the end of this video. If you want more of you see my video, let me know in the comments below. And also, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.